Hey everybody, Chris.Buystedt from Junction City, Oregon at Guaranty RV, and I'm excited to show you one of the used trailers that is on our lot right now. It's a 2015 Fun Finder. Taking a look inside, what you're going to notice is a private bedroom with doors that slides for complete privacy in the master bedroom. There is a really nice queen-size bed with storage underneath, shirt closets on the side, overhead compartments, lights, a place for a TV, everything that you really need in your little getaway bedroom in here. And one of the things that people really love about this one is the TV spins around, so you can watch it in your bedroom at night and then spin it around and watch it in the galley during the day. Pretty neat idea, one TV and dual purpose. Everyone likes that a lot. You're also going to notice in the main area there is a U-shaped dinette, and I often am asked for trailers that have this. And the reason why is because you can sit a lot of people around that dinette if you like to entertain or have more space. But also, when it makes into a bed, you can sleep taller individuals, which is nice. So you can actually sleep 4 people in this trailer very comfortably by utilizing that dinette. You're going to notice in the kitchen, 3-burner cook stove, oven, range with the hood, microwave, nice sink, everything that you really need. Great adequate storage really for a trailer this size. And what people are always excited about on this one is this huge bathroom in the back. You've got glass surround shower, a nice little sink set up here, plenty of storage, enough room to move around and do everything that you need to do in privacy behind the door. Really a nice trailer. I think this would be a great one for your family, and I'd love to show it to you. If you would give me a call, my name is Chris.Buystedt, 541-636-7878.